discussion about some of the issues that have been raised pro and con about bag checking. And I want to preface it with what I think is a general intention of the board, that the board knew what it was doing when it granted to the general manager of operation with his chief of police the authority to make decisions that he felt appropriate about the protection of the safety of the customers of the system. What we have are challenges about the general manager's judgment and authority along with the chief about that, and I don't think that the board has much interest in having that discussion about either the general manager or the chief's judgment about the decisions that were made about the protection processes. What I suggest, in the conversation I had with the general manager in preparation for this, was that we could talk profitably about our relationship as an authority, the board and staff, with our customers about these issues. The fear that I have is that without a dedicated commitment to hearing from our customers about heartfelt issues around privacy, their individual rights, and other concerns about security, we risk at times the TSA reaction about pat-downs and full-body scanners, and that led to a lot of pushback because there weren't ways of communicating very effectively between the people who were going through that system and the Transportation Security Administration until it built to a sufficient enough head of steam that TSA agreed to modify the technology about full-body scans. And we need mechanisms that we clearly said we value about having a discussion with our customers. These processes are to protect our customers. If they are there for that reason, they need to be part of this conversation. We haven't figured out the right mechanism for doing that, and we need to, if the integrity of this process is going to be perceived as fully open with our customers. There are obviously constraints about what can be put into the public realm about security for obvious reasons. There are obvious limits to what that discussion is. But those limits shouldn't preclude us from an honest, open effort to continue to communicate and receive feedback and have answers given to people who have matters of conscious and beliefs about their privacy and their individual rights in this process. And that's how I got to framing this, and I know we've had as a board some discussion about these, and I wanted to have that conversation along with Rich and the Chief about where we can go with the openness in the system. Everything should be on the table from, I think, focus groups, survey work, to website interaction. The technology allows for a much broader and open dialogue